This is the guy we. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today here we are in Leguan in the middle of the night for our alligator. So we are going to catch this alligator from our cutlass. We're going to stun his eye from our torchlight right here that you're seeing.
Or is that one still
So
there?
follow the journey along till we find our alligator.
What kind of one is this?
Oh, I have my mic with her.
Oh, okay.
I thought I lost my mic. Oh, my mic is This is 12.
Yeah? What? I'm a videographer. I'll put down that piece if you feel anything. We need a stick.
Why?
Get it out.
You get a video?
We didn't get it.
Show me the video.
I don't have it yet. Is he with you another time?
Where?
I have a short video.
Yeah.
For sure.
Uh-oh. That's not a cow.
Alligators are hiding from
Oh, you got here. Sorry, it's I don't think there's anything.
This is a bad day we came. No one is there. Hmm? Cutlass. Where is the cutlass? Give me the cut.
Chắc là cô này. Đây này. Thật là.
What? We really caught one. What? This guy is right here. He just got shot. He's dead?
Yeah.
His hand is still moving.
No. क्या भाई?
But he has still life, you know. Right there.
No. Holy.
There, this guy's moving. Quickly, yeah. Right. This is what we caught, guys, today. So our hunt is not that bad, you know. This is right here. Is he alive?
I don't think so.
I think it's okay. I have to shower because of this guy.
Are you okay?
I take my flesh back. Give me the point.
Here.
I take my blush back.
The heck, his blood is still dropping down.
Guys, we're kind of far.
Let me go. At least one we hunt. Guys, shout out to everyone who has been watching the vlog till the end, guys. And the alligator that we caught was a nice size. I'll let you know how it tastes in the next vlog. Until then, keep on subscribing to the channel for more such videos, and please do share and like on this video as well. It supports the channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.